To make this brain, I will prepare a meatloaf mixture. I will then pipe the mixture into the shape of a brain and cook it in the oven. Once it's cooked, I will brush and drizzle it with some ketchup for that bloody look. Happy Halloween! This Halloween, things are going to get bloody. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a meat brain. We're going to be taking a delicious meatloaf recipe and I'm going to turn this into a brain shape. It's going to be super delicious and it's also going to look realistic. Before I go any further with this recipe, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the meat mixture. I have 2 pounds of ground beef here. I'm going to add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Next, I'm going to add a half cup of finely minced onion. It's important that your onion is finely minced because you're going to be piping this later. For a little bit of spice, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of minced green chili. And finally, I'm going to add in a whole egg. Mix this really well together. Once this is all mixed and ready, I'm going to grab about half of the mixture and I'm going to make this into a shape of a brain. Using a disposable piping bag, I'm going to fill it in with the rest of the meat mixture. I'm using a tip number 807. This is the perfect size that will allow you to pipe the mixture easily. I'm going to make a line in the middle to separate the right brain from the left brain. Now I'm going to pipe the meat onto the mound that I created earlier. I'm going to start at the top and then the bottom and then I will pipe the center. Because the mixture is heavy, I find that this method works best. If the meat mixture falls off, just gently press it back into shape. I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. Once this is done, I will allow it to cool and then place it over a bed of mashed potato. For the blood, I have a half cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil and I will just mix it. I will start by brushing the brain with the blood and then I will pour the rest over. Stick a knife in it and it's done. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for meat brain. It is such a great addition to your Halloween table. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget, share my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And make sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.